Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's episode shows the draft to completion process of this outfit. Please stay tuned. The full bodice block will be folded on the half length. The same pattern will be used for this project. Fold 7.5 inches from the shoulder line for the off-shoulder pattern. Add 0.5 inch on all areas except the side where 1.5 inches to 2 inches seam allowance is required. On the center back, add 1 inch zipper allowance. The center back is open and the center front is on fold. Minus the upper bodice half length to get the full length. Rule the starting line. From the center fold, mark 1/4 of the waist circumference plus 1 inch dart allowance plus 2 inches seam allowance. Mark 1 inch zipper allowance on the center back. Come down by 10 inches from the starting line. Here, place 1/4 of the hip circumference plus 2 inches seam allowance. Mark the skirt half length. Here it is 19 inches. Minus 1.5 inches from the original hip measurements. Place the resulting inches on the half length plus 2 inches seam allowance. Place same on the hem. Come down by 1 inch from the starting line on the front piece. Connect to the original side waist. Extend the hip line to the back piece. Eliminate the 1 inch zipper allowance on the center back and connect to the hip line. Mark 1 inch below the hip line. Eliminate 1 inch from the allowance at the half length and connect to the hip line. With a straight line, connect from the half length to the hem. Connect the side line as shown. The 1 inch eliminated at the center back should be replaced on the side. Redraw the side shape. Cut out the starting line straight. Then the side, the center back bum illusion as shown. Lift the front piece, mark 1 inch zipper allowance and notch for easy identification. Cut out the curve on the front waistline and the remaining side shape. Keep the back piece aside. The original waist measurement plus 2 inches seam allowance alone is required for the front piece. Redraw the side line and cut out. Lay open the front piece, roll a line on the half length, place the Chantilly lace over it. Cut around the area using the front piece as a template, then trace out the scallop design if you want the lace straight. For this style, place the Chantilly lace on fold. Come down by 3 inches on the center fold and slant to the side as shown. Keep this aside. Next, place a Chantilly lace on fold, matching up the over chest line and indicating the points. Cut out the neck and shoulder line. Take out the pattern. Trace the armhole line. Mark the yoke length as 8.5 inches. Connect the armhole line, then cut out. Extend the neck width to 4 inches and neck depth to 4 inches. Cut out the new neckline. Place the Chantilly on fold again to cut the back yoke. 1 inch zipper allowance on the center back. Cut out the armhole and shoulder line. Alter the neckline to a V style line. Here is the front and back yoke. Go in by 0.5 inch on the front mid armhole to tighten it. Here we have the front pieces displayed. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.